Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NBEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, did it yesterday. So that's where these annotation lines are coming from. But the main level I really want to focus on is this red line here, valued at 875. And this thing is just quite the thorn in the side of the bulls, because it's not a matter of can the price break above it. Because, yeah, the price is broken above it many times, including today. It's broken up above it again. But it becomes the second part of a true breakout. Breakout having two parts. First part, the obvious one, well, yeah, it's got to break above a certain level. The second part is, though, staying above the breakout, maintaining the breakout, and that's where this 875 mark is just such a thorn in the side, because right here you can see broke above, could not maintain, fell back below it. Right here, broke above, could not maintain, fell back below it. Same thing. Same thing. You go to this afternoon, once again, actually a little breakout right there, could not maintain it, fell back below it. I'm not saying by any stretch that 875 is impossible to break or anything like that. I'm just saying that is why, this level is just such a thorn, because, it can break, but then it just can't maintain. So the moral of the story here is that 875 remains that very, very key level of support. Where, breaking above it is apparently, according to what the, past history is telling us, is just not good enough. It's more a question of can the price actually stay above it if the price breaks up through it. So that'll be the key thing to watch next week from a resistance standpoint is, not breaking above 875 because it's already shown it can do it, but staying up above it. From a support standpoint, nothing has changed here. If you've watched my past videos, still about that, all about the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average, which once again has proven and done a great job of acting as support right there. A little example this afternoon right there. With all that being said, though, if the price does drop below the purple line, I'm not saying that the entire chart is ruined and broken. Not saying that at all. I mean, you still have, from the big picture point of view, 650 as that next level of support. But from a grand scheme of things perspective, so a lot of eyeballs on this one. I was watching it today, didn't trade it, but I plan on watching it next week. So let's see how it plays out next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.